Morning, guys. It is April 3rd. Apparently we're not having school again on account of all this white trash, snow. It's cold, it's heavy, it's wet, and it's your assignment today. So what we are going to do is we are going to take a 1 gallon ice cream pail. This 1 gallon ice cream pail weighs 18 grams. And what we're going to do is we are going to fill it up, and then you're going to tell me what the density of the snow is. So simply what I'm going to do, first off, let's have a snow measurement. So I've got my handy dandy tape measure that I found on the side of the road. We'll go ahead here, take a measurement of that. Ooh. As you can tell, I'm not an influencer. And we can go ahead and see right there, that's probably about 9 inches. Let's take a couple more measurements. About 9.5. So I would say about 9 to 10 inches of compacted snow at my house. So we'll get rid of that. Going back to my bucket. So I'm gonna go ahead, fill it up. Try not to compact it too much, but we gotta make sure that, ooh, I should have 0.5 this, that would have been better. So now we're just gonna go ahead and scrape that off so we got it nice and full. It looks like just a glorious bucket. I should put this in the freezer and tell my kids we got them ice cream today. Oh, all right, so now I'm gonna come back to my scale, which I took from my wife from the kitchen. You can see right there, is that grams. So I said the empty bucket was 19 grams. So we look like we're at, just stop where you're at. For love of little baby children. Come on. See, the scale doesn't like the snow either. Okay, it stopped. Okay, we're going with that. So 692 grams was our final mass. Remember, that also includes the mass of the bucket. We don't want the mass of the bucket. We just want the mass of snow. So you got to take that 692, subtract by 19. That's going to be your total mass. Your volume of your bucket is 1 gallon. Now the problem is, remember when you solve for density, which if I didn't tell you, your goal is to find the density of the snow. I went in grams divided by milliliters. So remember, density is mass divided by volume. There will be an attached Google Sheet form, I don't know, whatever the heck that crap is, that'll be on Google Classroom. Put your answer in there. We'll call it good for the day. So remember, 692 minus the 19 grams of the bucket, and then you know it's 1 gallon, but you got to convert that. And I'm not going to tell you how. Figure it out. You got the internet. You've got time. By the way, I'm going to go back to shoveling. Have a great day.